To get infinity space, we use the zoom function and the scaling function primarily. If you master this, you will always have a clean design and enough space for new thoughts and insights. To change the size of a card, select one, click the triangle at the bottom right corner of the card and drag it. If your parent card is full of child cards, it will grow automatically. It will happen that your card is full of child cards and you don't want to make the parent card bigger. In this case, you are able to scale the body content down and how magic, there's place again. Scaling can happen in two ways. If you select the parent card and use the scale down icon in the toolbar, only the child cards get smaller. If you select the parent card, press Ctrl, and if you drag the triangle in the bottom right, you scale the parent and the child cards in ratio. The other way around, it is also possible to scale up. Therefore, use this icon in the toolbar. But with time you will use this function to highlight or hide some content.